Come back.
Let's reset.
Come back.
Just reset quickly. Your bowl. You forgot your bowl. Okay, going again. Right away.
Just go. The camera's wrong.
Yeah, just start spitting things out.
Mean things?
Yeah, mean things.
Her foot is right here. Do the face right now.
Her foot?
Yeah, her foot's right here.
Give me the noise too.
So, can I help?
You need to give a little. Stick deep breaths. I want more big squeak. Give me a big squeak.
Whoa. I'm just rolling.
Yeah, barbaric, gotta roll. And give me one more of complete and utter disgust at the fact that the toenail has fallen into the glass.
I just don't think that's that gross.
Use some. Start.
A couple insults, pothead lay about, things like that. Just pick on what you see the character.
You're stupid. You're going nowhere in life. Your credit score is horrible. Oh my god, did you even return that library book from a year ago?
We're still rolling. You can start over from saying, who the fuck are you?
I like the fucking boyfriend.
I fucked your boyfriend. You're stupid. That was the cat.
Talk about her being a pothead.
You're a fucking pothead. All you do, you have so many loose screws, you're just so fucking dumb. You're just so, your cunt probably smells like weed.
You're probably so blazed you're not even gonna remember this conversation.
Do you even know who I am?